Safe Work Practices. SHEM 8 is called Safe Work Practices. It ensures that effective system is in place to develop and implement safe work practices to control the hazards during all routine and non-routine work activities, materials and substances that could affect process safety and the health and safety of personnel and environment. Sub-elements. SHEM 8. Safe Work Practices is subdivided into 10 sub-elements. SHEM 8.1 is General EHSS Rules. It defines the safe practices and establishes minimum EHSS rules. Laboratory EHSS Rules. SHEM 8.2 Laboratory EHSS Rules. It defines the minimum requirements needed to be complied with while working in laboratories for preventing illness and injuries to employees. SHEM 8.3 Material Handling and Storage. It defines the minimum requirements for handling and storage of materials. SHEM 8.4 is yet to be assigned. SHEM 8.5 Electrical Safety. It defines the minimum requirements for working with or near electrical equipments or electrical systems. SHEM 8.6 Lifting Equipments. It defines the minimum requirements for operation and prevention of hazards associated with cranes, forklifts, and motorized equipments. SHEM 8.7 is called Tools Handling. The purpose of this sub-element is to define the minimum requirements for use of hand and power tools, working safely on or near rotating machineries. SHEM 8.8 is Personal Protective Equipments, PPE, foot protection, eye and face protection, head protection, hand protection, hearing protection, fall protection, respiratory protection, work clothing protection. SHEM 8.9 is Working at Height. The purpose of this sub-elements is to define the minimum requirements while working at height. Work Permit. SHEM 8.10. The purpose of this sub-elements is to define the minimum requirements for preparation of equipment for maintenance, hot work control, confined space entry, electrical lockout and tagout, gas testing, excavation. Scrap Safety. SHEM 8.11. The purpose of this sub-element is to identify hazards and to establish safe method of transportation, inspection, handling, and processing of scrap.